Hello, welcome to Jerry Monetization Vlog. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my YouTube journey, biggest regret and lessons. Alright, these are the things I wish I knew when I started YouTube. So stay with me to the end of this video. You are going to learn useful tips which will help you to grow your channel and avoid some early mistakes. If it's your first time visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified in my next video. First, let's start with the mistake most beginners make. These are the policies, few of the policies which beginners usually make mistakes on. But to start with, I'm going to outline the policies which beginners usually neglect, and at the end, they will regret it. Yeah, I made the same mistake earlier when I first started my first YouTube channel and I regretted it. So these policies I'm going to talk about now is, first, let's talk about the copyright. Copyright is one of the policy which you must not neglect on YouTube if you want to be successful, if you want to grow your channel. Avoid copyright content. Now we'll talk about the fair use, reused content, and repetitive content. Now, these four policies which I mentioned here now, these are the major policies that usually affect beginners. You might neglect these things when you start your channel, but when you apply for the YouTube partnership program that you want to monetize your channel, you have met the criteria, the 4,000 public watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Now you're applying to get monetized. That is when you will know that these policies really matters. You know, the YouTube policy and guideline is very long. So YouTubers find it difficult to go through all of those policies. So I'm outlining these mistakes beginners usually make, so avoid them. The first one, like I said, is copyright. Now, copyright content is content that you do not own permissions to them. You have no permissions to reuse those videos. Now, those who originally own this video can flag your video. So, if you upload the video on YouTube, most times it will check for copyright, but sometimes it will not detect that that video has a copyright. Now, the owner of that video might detect it and flag for the video to be taken down. So when YouTube takes this video down, it becomes a copyright strike. But if you take the video down by yourself, it's not a copyright strike. You can see a video on your channel and it says that copyright. So you don't own that video and you don't have the rights to post it. So if you take it down by yourself, it will not affect your channel. But if YouTube takes it down by themselves as a request by the content owner, that is the copyright strike. Now, if you receive 3 copyright strike, your channel will be disabled. All right, this is one of the things which I didn't know when I first jumped into the YouTube. So I created my channel and I was uploading random videos that were going viral. I'll just copy and I'll upload. Then the first day I got my first copyright. That was when I read about copyright. Then I found out that that channel cannot exist because most of the videos there are copyrighted. So I was waiting for the copyright to expire and I received another copyright strike. So I got 2 copyright strike, it remains 1. And the copyright strike can expire after 90 days. So within the period of 90 days, I received 3 copyright strike on that channel. So the channel was disabled and the email can no longer access YouTube. So I came back with a new YouTube and a new Gmail. So avoid copyright strike from your channel. So the only way you can do this is posting original content. That is the best way to avoid copyright strike on your channel. Because copyright strike will reduce your channel distribution. All right, having said that about the copyright, now let's talk about the fair use. What is fair use? You cannot receive a copyright strike for this because it's a fair use. You are not actually making use of that video. So you have to go and read further about that. I don't want this video to be too long. Now, having said about fair use, copyright, avoid it. Fair use, you have to understand what is fair use. Don't use someone else's video, long video, and think it's a fair use. Now, another thing is reused content. This is one mistake most beginners make. I've seen a lot of people coming to me and say that their channel wasn't approved after getting the 4,000 public watch time. Even in my group, Facebook group, people post of their channel being rejected. Why? Reused content. What is reused content? Reused content are videos. That's contents you get from another source, which is not your video. You just got it and you upload it on your channel without editing the video, enhancing the video, giving the video more meanings. Without any significant change in the video, you just upload it that way. You didn't edit the video and make some impact in the video. You just copy the video, you upload it without adding more meaningful things to the video. So that is reused content. Despite the fact that the owners does not flag for it and there is no copyright on those videos, you will be denied access into the YouTube partnership program because of reused content. Now, if your channel is being rejected into the YouTube partnership program because of reused content, what you have to do is delete all those videos that are reused content. Then you have to reapply after about 30 days before you can reapply again. That is if your watch time didn't drop, because if you're deleting those videos, all the watch time you got from those videos are going to vanish. So avoid reused content on your channel. That's the policy that you shouldn't neglect. Now, there is another one which is called repetitive content. This is similar to reused content, but repetitive content are content which you own and you upload it on your channel. So after a while, probably because you've seen that the video got engagement and it went viral, you decided to re-upload that video without making any changes to it. It's just the same video. You copy it back and upload it. You didn't enhance the video to give more meaning or more helpful tips on it. You just upload the video because it went viral. You need the same engagement. Probably the other one you posted have stopped getting distribution, so you are uploading the same video. That is repetitive content. It is against the YouTube policy. So I have outlined these 4 policies which can harm your channel. So avoid them. You probably might not know what I'm talking about now until you apply for monetization. So that is when most YouTubers come to get to know about these policies I'm talking about. So these are the policies which even you wish you know earlier. Avoid these mistakes and we will all meet at the top. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my next video.